Hey guys, and welcome. Hey. That's my line. What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. As you can probably hear, I'm not feeling too great today, so I'm just going to chill out and stay at home. But that doesn't stop me from being creative, and I'm going to show you something pretty cool you can do with this guy, even though he's pretty annoying. Yeah, check it out. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. We've lost the guy just over there. We've decided to replace him with a Lightroom pillow, so I'm not really sure what's best, if I'm honest. But in today's video, I'm going to show you something a little bit cool you can throw into your video making that just mixes things up a little bit. I'm probably sure it's already been done before, and there's probably loads of other videos online on how to do this. But I've seen it with loads of photography where you layer the images and then mask them out so you can duplicate yourself in one image. I've not seen it too much in video though, so I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy, it takes a couple of seconds, and then you can throw it into the mix and then take your videos just slightly up a notch. So this is my first tutorial, so take it easy on me, but if you do like it, drop a like on the bottom, I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, let's jump into Prem Pro. And first what I'll do is I'll show you the two clips. So if you look here, we have the clip on the right and the clip on the left, and all we're going to do is merge those two layers. So if we just drag this one up here, drag that one down here, make a nice gap in the middle, and then drag the other clip in underneath. And then as a nice little waypoint so you can see where you're working is if you go all the way back to the first frame and then just click on the top one, go over to the left hand side under the effects control and just turn that opacity down so you can see where the two layers are over each other. Something to remember when you're shooting this is to leave a nice big gap between the two subjects. Obviously yourself or whoever this may be if you're recording somebody else doing it. Leave a nice big gap so when you mask this side out there's no interference between the mask line, otherwise it's going to look really crazy and messed up once you finish the edit. So yeah, leave a nice gap, make sure the background doesn't move, so the tripod is definitely going to help you there. Once you've got the two side by side, you're going to come over to the left hand side and you're going to select free draw Bezier, and then you're going to come back over and then mask out the left hand side. Now let's play it back over. Now we've masked one side out. As you can see, there's a little bit of a fuzzy line there, so we are going to help remove that line. And to do that, all you need to do is to again go over onto the left hand side, make sure that mask is selected, and then just play around with the mask feather. Now obviously don't go too crazy, just get it till that line slowly fades out. You can also play around with the mask expansion as well, that might help just remove that line if you've got a bit of funky light going on there. Yeah, and then once you've got those nailed, play it back and it should look really smooth, and it should look like you're sat next to yourself talking to yourself like a crazy man. As you can see guys, it literally takes no time at all to add that into the mix. I hope you've liked it, I hope it's given you a little bit of an insight on what you can do with those mask layers in Prem Pro. Yeah, drop a like on the bottom if you've enjoyed this video. If you subscribe, it's definitely going to keep me motivated to keep bashing out these little videos once a week. Have a great weekend guys, catch you later. Drink responsibly.